Hey, this is Devin from Intrinsic Cycles. We're going to help you install your new bumper pedals. Congratulations on being the proud owner of a new set of bumper pedals. First, you're going to get your box, open it up. We designed and got you this beautiful leaflet that gives instructions on the back side, but we're here to help you as well. So, first off, the left pedal is on the left side, the right pedal is on the right side. So if you stand over your bike, left pedal is on your left leg, right leg. I know it's intuitive, but sometimes you can mess things up. So what I do to start off is I take the left pedal out, keep the right one in the box just so you don't mix them up, because these are threaded differently. So that way on the left side it tightens as you pedal, and on the right side it tightens as you pedal. So the left side is backwards threaded. So we're going to get going with the left one. Okay, now we're going to install our left pedal onto the bike. First, we're going to tell you what tools you're going to need. So you can start and you can use a standard adjustable wrench. This is an 8-inch adjustable wrench, and you can get back into the pedal here. I'm going to use an open-ended wrench, a fixed wrench, and it's a 15 millimeter size. So this gets back into here, and we can tighten it or loosen it there. Now, some pedals don't have these slanted edges on the outside for a wrench to go onto, and they actually have an Allen set on the back side. So you'll get an Allen wrench for whatever size your pedal needs, and you would then put it to the back side to either tighten it or loosen it. If you do have an older bike, or one that's been sitting around for a long time, or if you've never taken off the pedals, you might need to hit the backside with threads with like a PB Blaster, WD-40, something like that to loosen it up. Let it sit for a couple hours and then come back. And again, if you've never done it before, maybe get a friend to hold the bike so that way you're not lifting it off the ground and throwing the bike around as well. I've taken this pedal off several times, so it should be pretty easy to do. So again, on the left side, usually clockwise tightens on most standard threads, right? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. But in this case, to take it off, you're actually going to go clockwise because it is backwards threaded. So on this pedal again, we're going to go down and go clockwise to reverse the threads out of the hole and remove the pedal. And again, to install the bumper pedal, you're going to go counterclockwise to install the pedal. So you'll wait till the threads grab, and then you'll just twist it in. Again, counterclockwise. And then we recommend using 40 pounds of force or 30 foot-pounds of torque on your pedal. We're just going to do it by hand in this one just for simplicity. So there you go. Left side's done. All right, so we finished up on the left side. Now we're going to install the right pedal that is presumably still in your box, so you didn't get them confused. So we pull out the right pedal. We're going to set it here. Now again, we're going to use an open-ended 15 millimeter wrench. And on these, it is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If you look on your instructions, so counterclockwise will remove the pedal on this one. So put your wrench on there, and then again, counterclockwise. Then you can do it by hand if you've loosened it enough. And then clockwise, now we'll install the pedal and tighten it in. And again, you would use the appropriate amount of force to tighten the pedal per the instructions, but we're just going to do it by hand for simplicity. So there you go. Now enjoy your bumper pedals.